Good afternoon, Professor O'Neill. My name is Zofia Grigorowska, and welcome to my Yummy project. I choose to record Screenomatic. That's because I find this easier than actually writing whole paper, and I hope I can be very resourceful here today. Well, as I mentioned in my post, that I am impulsive eater. So under the stress, I eat. I some point in my life dealing with a lot of stressful situations. I gained so much weight that led to me not feeling well and being approximately orbitally obese. Um, but I was trying a lot of new methods and try also Weight Watchers. And finally, I realized throughout the meetings at the Weight Watchers that I know already all this. I already know all this. Why I even spend so much money for a membership. It is helpful to listen to other people's stories and share their joy of losing weight and be happy for them and maybe for yourself as well if there is a weight loss. But I realized I'm losing money, a lot of money over here for membership for what I already know. So at some point in my life, I really had to rethink what I'm doing. Being and I had to start to be very mindful about what I eat and being mindful about my weight. Well, I'm also diabetic, so to add to the situation, well, I really started cutting on carbs and on breads, rice, pastas. Um, cutting my portions, um, getting rid of junk snacks. Sorry for my word, but those really carby snacks are really not good. And I replace them with healthy options. Also, sodas and juices. As a source, there are sources of a lot of carbs and sugars, and so replaced. I just replaced them with just plain water. Um, well, down the road, uh, not as tremendous success. I lost a lot of weight, um, which I'm kind of just stuck right now at size 14. But it goes a little bit up, goes a little bit down. But what I eat, I still eat everything, and just I'm very mindful that I need to eat smaller portions, smaller amounts. Um, and if I made myself sandwich toast, I will eat that toast or sandwich prolonged time. I don't eat everything at once. It's like I'm delecting myself with what I eat. Um, I take a few bites at a time and then I wait. So my sugar don't spikes up a little bit too high. So, um, and um, what else? Approximately, yes, I don't deprive myself of anything. I eat everything just in very, very tiny, small amounts, a little bit at a time. Um, when when I eat, um, I don't skip approximately any kind of meals. I eat breakfast, just maybe slower than usual. I eat, yes, few bites at a time. It's not, I can't, my stomach even cannot take whole meal at a time. And So I just delect myself with what I drink or eat. If I make myself coffee in the morning, I will drink that coffee in about 2 hours period, because I take few sips and I feel my stomach is kind of filled up. I stop. And I take a few minutes later, I'll take another few sips of my coffee in the morning. So that would be number two. The number three, who are you eating with? Um, Approximately, I'm a single woman, single mother. So during the day, it happens that I eat myself. Then I have my companion. My son comes home from school, and I will sit down. We eat dinner together. Number four, where are you eating? Approximately, yes, most of the time at the table. Um, Sometimes I would, if I'm by myself, I just sit down on the couch, put TV on too. But then I will pay attention also to what I eat, um, um, and what pace I eat too. So I don't intend to overeat and put whole meal at once uh, inside. So number five, how are you eating? Are you enjoying your food? You use your senses? Yes, pretty much. I do use my senses very much when I, let's say, try to composite my plate. I will think what can go with the salad, or what can I change this time, today, or next day, or I don't put everything together at once. I will say to myself, well, I put to my salad, I got lettuce, cucumbers, tomatoes, onions, and I will add some veggies, or I will add some just tuna salad just to scoop on top of it, or chicken salad on top of it. And another day I will try something, add something different to make myself variety of food. And also, like I said, I don't deprive myself of anything. I have a couple scoops of potatoes with my dinners. I have rice or pastas. I just don't eat whole thing at once. Um, and I like to, I thought this meditation about raising was just wonderful, because that's how I eat approximately. I almost eat daily on a daily basis, and the kind of meditating what I put together on my plate, what I have in my sandwich, how I'm gonna put my snacks together, what I would like to today, what I would like to next day, and I kind of manage to kind of be very mindful here and meditating what I put in my body. It takes a lot of, yes, self-discipline. Yes, it does. And I can't say that I don't indulge, maybe sometimes. Yes, I do around the holidays. Yes, I indulge a little bit. And, well, it happens. And overeating happens too. So, but then I really don't feel good. When you overstuff yourself, doesn't feel good at all. I would have to say I'm suffering even the next day from it. So I really try to be careful. Well, thank you very much, Professor. Hope it was helpful and explanatory. And I hope you're gonna have a good day. Thank you.